joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. It's time for our chit chat in the attic. This is a series where I recap what we did this month and we talk a little bit about what I'll be doing on the channel for next month. For September, I did my Plan With Me series where I created a bullet style journal using one of the kits from the Paper Bee called Classic Halloween. There is a full flip through video showing you how I put this together. I announced the winners of our summer block party prizes, and I did my design team project for Crafty Dragon Creations. I also worked in my Countdown to Christmas album, and I made prompts that I'll be using when I start documenting my December. I do have this prompt list available as a freebie in my Kofi Shop. I will have the link in the description box where you can go over and pick that up if you would like to follow along with these prompts. I also started making a reading journal where I'm going to be following along with G over at Book Roast with her magical readathon. I do explain in this video where I created this journal that I am doing this readathon a little differently than how G has it set up on her channel. I'm a slow reader, so I can't follow along as well as she's got it laid out. But in that video, you can see exactly how I'm going to be doing this, where I am going to be creating this journal in an effort to get back more to reading, because I do love to do that and I often don't make time to just sit down and read. I will be continuing to do additions to this reading journal and update each month. So I hope you'll follow along with that. Now let's talk a little bit about October. For October, I will be participating in my very first collaboration called #OctoberHuga2024. This is hosted by Stacy over at Crafty Dragon Creations and Karen at Creative Paper Artisan. There are 8 collaborators, and we will be doing videos every week for the whole month of October. I do have an introductory video where I explain how everything works and how you can enter to win some of the prizes that we'll have at the end of the month. So I hope you'll go over and watch that and join us in #OctoberHuga2024. On Friday the 13th, I made a big announcement that I'm going to be doing my own collaboration, the very first one here in the attic, called #Spooktacular2024. The theme for the collaboration is Spooky Movie Club. I do have a complete digital kit available in my Kofi Shop. I will have the link in the description box. And there's also some freebies over there for this event. Each week, I will be doing a weekly recap for the movies that I have watched and showing you how I'm adding it to my October daily journal. On October 1st, I will have a tutorial of how I'm creating this journal that I will be using to document all my movies for the Spooky Movie Club. I'll do weekly recaps of the movies I watched as I fill out my journal, and there will also be freebies that will follow along with those weekly recaps. So I hope you'll go over and check out the video for Friday the 13th that explains all the details of #Spooktacular2024 and come join me in all the October spooky fun. Also in October, I will be continuing my Plan With Me series, so come back and check out what new kit I'll have for my November Plan With Me journal. And I will have one other surprise in October that I'm not going to announce now until I actually start it. So I do hope you'll subscribe, hit the like button, and be sure to ring the notification bell so you can come back and see what that mystery surprise will be. And until I see you next time here in the attic, y'all take care.